multiple languages. Noteable is a cloud-based computational notebook service developed by Edina at the University of Edinburgh. It works in your browser from any device, hosting your notebooks in one online hub and integrating with your VLE. Built for learning, ready for creativity, you can use Noteable across various disciplines such as physical sciences, business, social sciences, programming, geosciences, and law to analyze data, visualize processes, and build solutions. Notable's up-to-date libraries such as Python and RStudio are based on Jupyter notebooks and compatible with Git. If you have any questions or require specific languages or packages, just get in touch.